Take a look at the world around you. It has radically changed. Dining out has been replaced by ordering food for dining in. Family get-togethers have been replaced by virtual get-togethers now on Zoom. Classrooms have been replaced by Microsoft Teams and Google Meet sessions. In-store browsing and shopping has been replaced by virtual stores. And both big and small businesses realize that the customers cannot come to them anymore. Instead, they have to take their business to the customers now. And we have successfully created the perfect, and I mean perfect, tool to help you do just that. Presenting VideoTours360 Ultimate Edition. It combines the limitless power of live video calls, immersive virtual tours, e-commerce portals, and highly interactive elements. With the Ultimate Edition, we are introducing brand new features, as you'll see on this page down below this video. Are you into real estate or looking to help customers who are curious about your business? Well, what if no one can visit your physical space? VideoTours360 takes your space to your customers. Are you a gym owner? Conduct a 360-degree tour for fitness enthusiasts and show off your sophisticated equipment and how safe your facility is. Are you a university teacher whose students have little or no experience working with platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet? Well, hold an immersive tour for prospective students as they browse your campus to know more about your facilities. People who own Airbnbs, doctors, chiropractors, spa owners, salons, restaurants, vets, yoga instructors, you name it. Everyone is looking for solutions and help to show their customers their safe spaces. And now, with the VideoTours360 Ultimate, you'll be in a perfect position to help them do just that and be able to charge your asking price. Plus, to ensure you actually do make money off your purchase today, we've included a fail-proof, look-over-my-shoulder virtual tour selling accelerator program right into VideoTours360 Ultimate Edition, allowing you to easily start up and scale your own virtual tour agency business starting today. As per market trends today, video experts and agencies actually charge up to $7,000 to $15,000 for such virtual videos. Now you too can do that and more easily with VideoTours360. And to think you only have to click a few buttons to make that kind of money? It sounds almost unfair, right? With your Power Pack tour comes our interactive feature of live chatting with your audience as they view your property in the comfort of their pajamas. VideoTours360 ensures that you are physically distant but never socially separated from your customers. Add background music, customer reviews, floor plans, video overlays, fully customizable hotspots, and lots more. All you need to do is follow these easy steps. Step 1 is to capture an image or video. Step 2, upload to VideoTours360 and create your tour. And Step 3, sell and profit as customers browse the tour and interact via video chat. Are you worried about the extra expense of shooting videos? Well, don't be, because all you need to multiply your profits is your smartphone and our technology embedded with marketing analytic codes. Our autoresponder integration allows you to generate leads and multiply profits for you and your clients. VideoTours360 is fully cloud-based and social media friendly too. You can share your videos across all major social media platforms with just a click. You can even export and host the tour on your own server. VideoTours360 is the perfect tool for e-com store owners or anyone selling anything online, including physical products. Give your customers a chance to browse your products just the way they would do at a physical store. VideoTours360's state-of-the-art augmented reality technology helps sell above and beyond what flat photographs can ever do. Use the live chat feature to personalize your customer's shopping experience. You can even add videos, URLs, phone numbers, maps, polls, surveys, along with regular text messages. It's mind-blowing. Watch the demo to learn how easy it is to get started. We've got real-life examples as proof on this page below this video. We timed the release of VideoTours360 to perfectly match today's needs. Now it's time for you to do the same and time your purchase perfectly as well. Get access to VideoTours360 today to take advantage of the special launch pricing. Avoid paying a monthly or yearly fee before the countdown ends. Test drive this life-changing app to know for yourself. We offer a 100% refund within 30 days if you don't make profits with VideoTours360. We can't wait to welcome you on board this new age of profit making and experiential marketing. See you on the other side.